Living in Rockford, Illinois, offers many advantages, from its beautiful parks to its vibrant downtown. However, like many urban areas, Rockford is also prone to noise pollution, whether it's the sound of traffic, bustling streets, or noisy neighbors. If you're struggling with constant noise infiltrating your home, replacing your windows might be the key to a quieter, more peaceful living environment. Window replacement plays a crucial role in reducing noise pollution, and modern window technology offers several solutions that can enhance your home's comfort and serenity. Here's how replacing your windows in Rockford can help reduce noise and improve your living experience. The basics of noise pollution and its impact. Noise pollution is an often overlooked issue that can impact your health and quality of life. Prolonged exposure to unwanted noise has been linked to stress, sleep disturbances, and even cardiovascular issues. Whether you're living near a busy street, an industrial area, or in a noisy neighborhood, unwanted sounds can disrupt your daily routine, affect your sleep, and contribute to a general feeling of discomfort in your own home. Windows, as the primary openings in your home's exterior, are often the biggest culprits when it comes to allowing outside noise to enter. Traditional windows, especially older models, offer very little in terms of sound insulation. If you find that external noise is constantly disturbing your peace, window replacement can be an effective solution. Soundproofing with double and triple pane windows. One of the most significant advancements in modern window technology is the use of double or triple pane windows. These windows feature multiple layers of glass with an air gap between them. The extra layers of glass and air create a barrier that helps reduce the transmission of sound. In fact, double or triple pane windows are much more effective at blocking noise than single pane windows. The air space between the panes acts as an insulating buffer, reducing the amount of sound that passes through the window. This makes them particularly beneficial in areas of Rockford that experience heavy traffic, nearby construction, or other sources of noise pollution. The thicker the glass and the larger the air gap, the better the soundproofing effect. Low E coating for better noise reduction. Many modern windows come with low E, low emissivity coatings that improve the insulation properties of the glass, but these coatings also contribute to noise reduction. Low E coatings help to minimize the amount of heat that enters or escapes your home, but they can also reduce the transfer of sound, particularly high-frequency sounds like voices or traffic noise. When combined with double or triple pane technology, low E coatings can significantly enhance your home's ability to block out unwanted noise while improving your overall energy efficiency. These coatings are designed to reduce glare, block harmful UV rays, and make your home more comfortable in both the summer and winter months. Acoustic glass for superior noise reduction. For homes in Rockford located in particularly noisy areas, such as near highways, railroads, or industrial zones, investing in windows with acoustic glass may be the best option. Acoustic glass is specifically engineered to reduce noise transmission. It features a special laminate layer within the glass that further dampens sound vibrations, offering superior soundproofing compared to standard double-pane windows. This type of window technology is ideal for homes exposed to constant, disruptive noise and can provide a much-needed retreat from the hustle and bustle outside. Acoustic glass windows can be a great investment for homeowners who are sensitive to noise and want to create a quiet sanctuary at home. How proper window installation contributes to noise reduction. While choosing the right windows is essential, the installation process also plays a critical role in noise reduction. Even the best noise-reducing windows can't perform effectively if they are poorly installed. Gaps, cracks, or improper sealing can allow noise to bypass the window and enter your home, undermining the benefits of your new windows. Professional installation ensures that your windows are properly sealed and fitted, eliminating any potential gaps that could allow sound to leak in. When windows are installed correctly, they can form an airtight seal that keeps external noise where it belongs, outside. Energy efficiency and noise reduction go hand in hand. In addition to their ability to block out noise, modern windows are also highly energy efficient, making them an excellent investment for homeowners in Rockford. Double and triple pane windows, combined with high-quality seals, help to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature, reducing the need for excessive heating or cooling. This means lower energy bills and a more comfortable living environment. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows that also reduce noise, you are essentially addressing two major home comfort issues at once: sound pollution and energy loss. This makes window replacement a smart, multi-benefit home improvement project. Improved quality of life with a quieter home. Replacing your windows to reduce noise pollution can significantly improve your quality of life. Imagine coming home to a peaceful, quiet space where you can relax, focus, and enjoy your surroundings without the constant intrusion of outdoor noise. Whether it's a good night's sleep, a quiet reading corner, or a place to entertain without yelling over traffic noise, reducing the sound coming through your windows can make your home feel more like a sanctuary. In Rockford, where neighborhoods can range from serene suburban areas to busy urban zones, window replacement can be a game changer for homeowners who want to create a peaceful, private environment. Conclusion: if you're dealing with excessive noise in your home, window replacement in Rockford is an effective and long-term solution that can greatly enhance your home's comfort and tranquility. By choosing modern windows with double or triple panes, low-E coatings, or even acoustic glass, you can significantly reduce the noise that enters your home, providing you with a quieter, more peaceful living environment. Additionally, the energy efficiency benefits of upgraded windows further add to the appeal of this home improvement, giving you more control over your living space and improving your overall quality of life. If noise pollution is a concern, replacing your windows is a wise investment that delivers both immediate and long-term benefits.